Today we are going to teach you how you can delete your Facebook account. Open Facebook and click on three dot. Scroll down and you will find setting and privacy. Click here and click on setting. You will find account setting and click on personal and account information. Now click on account ownership and control. Now click on deactivation and deletion to delete the account. To deactivate account, you can click on deactivate account. To delete your account permanently, click on delete account. Click on continue. Scroll down and click on delete account. Type your password and click on continue. So your account will be deleted after 30 days. I am not going to delete my account, so I am tapping back. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. Please like the video and please subscribe our channel. If you need any help, please comment down. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.